Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Derby Specialist, and I'm still up on our roof, but I'm watching Jim and Gino. They're getting ready to put some jack stands underneath this Wildcat Max. I think they're going to do a wheel bearing pack on it. So, you know, when we go to lift these units up, it's a two-man operation. You know, you can see he's got the jack stands down here, and we've got some, can't see from the glare, there it is. We got a nice big tall red 10-ton because a lot of these units are a lot higher now. And then we got a smaller level one, or a smaller 4-jack down there. So the guys are going to pick this unit up by teeter-tottering it. So they're going to take the legs, run them up, lower the unit down just enough to pick up the ass end of it to put the stands on the back of the frame, and then they'll lightly pick it up and shove other stands. You know, we pretty much do 3 stands throughout, one in the rear, one in the middle, one in the front. So anyways, in case you wanted to know how we get those up in the air, that's how we do it. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day.